What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? I'm your girl, Taneasha Hines. It's time for maintenance. My beautiful doll came all the way from California. We did a customized eye tip and braidless installation using perfect distractions. I tip Yaki hair to give her volume. She wanted to have access to her hair and have the ability to wear it up. And this is the before, the very first time that we went ahead and installed this nice customized hair loss solution. And yeah, so right now we are clarifying and cleaning out her scalp with our favorite sequence product called Exfoliate. And we just going in, and what you're seeing, that residue is topics, it's hair fibers, to also give her even better coverage. So not every hair loss guest desires to wear a wig or have tight braids, and it's tension free. So for her not to be coming to me bi-weekly, and for this to not have any type of damage, and it just needs to be moved up and tightened and refreshed, we can say that she does very well with this installation. Nothing new, just combinations of different techniques to give the desired clients what they want, okay? And we also went ahead and did a straightening keratin treatment upon her initial installation, so she doesn't have to really deal with a lot of the heat and making it blend. And I'm just going ahead and removing the old bead with the silicone insert microlink. And you can reuse the same one, but you know, I'm a little extra, so I like to remove the whole link, and I like to go ahead and remove all that debris and buildup. So that's the importance of a reinstallation, and you can really get a good 4 to 6 months out of this install, and you can reuse the hair. So it is a wonderful investment. Gives you the ability to not have any pain. You got a lot of versatility. You can use your topical treatments if you desire. I go in and remove that bead, comb out that residue, put a new bead in, bam. So it's still a reinstall. Even though I'm removing the old bead, a lot of people like to go ahead and use the same one. It's really up to you. It's just best for me. And I just wanted you to see it up close and see the areas of concern. And you're not going to see any of that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, if you've seen the before, her hair is very fine. So we decided not to go with a very bone straight texture. We didn't want to straighten or silken her out too straight, because we wanted to create the illusion of fullness, of volume. So we needed that, you know, nice yaki texture still incorporated into this style, if that makes sense, okay? All right, dolls and divos, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Posh Hair Designs Salon Spa. Make sure you look at me on my website at www.officialposhhair.com. And yes, we are slaying. She can wear it up, down, and you know, she is happy with this installation. Look at that. Looks like she got a press out a week ago, and that's what we needed to give her the density. Thanks for watching, dolls and divos.